Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay tuned so you guys can see how I review this beautiful unit. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. So this unit was sent to me by ReadyWig. It is the honey brown wavy short hair synthetic lace front wig in 16 inches. And it retails for about $42. My first impression of this wig is that it's super fun and super cute and it has a lot of bounce to it. It's super pretty. I love the color, the honey blonde, and it has adjustable straps on the side, 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And you can create your own parting space. So I just did a little something something and gave myself some baby hairs and I called it a day. The parting spaces are kind of small if you want to do something on the side. It's a little bit bigger in the middle. So I guess it's recommended that you have a parting space in the middle, but for this type of waviness, I wanted it to the side. So there is some shedding, just so you guys know, but it's very, very minimal. It's not a lot. There's nothing right there, nothing right there, 1 strand right there, but that's pretty much it. So this unit is a really good unit. I'm going to give you guys a 360. And this unit does seem to get a little puffy, so I did put some water on it just to lay it down a little bit more. But if you want to hold it, you might have to put some product in it. I don't like putting product on synthetic hair because it doesn't last long, but you know, to each his own. But I like this unit. It's super cute. There is a lot of hair on this wig. The density is very high. It's a nice thick unit. And honestly, if you want, you could play around with it and probably wear like half up, half down. Me personally, I just didn't feel like messing around with these edges, but yeah, it looks cute. And just so you guys know, if you are interested in this unit, you can get a discount code. The code is my name, Donita. And all the information for the website and where I got this unit and everything you need to know about ReadyWig is listed below. And it's tangle free. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and check me out on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.